If you're still replying to every DM manually, you're not just wasting time, you're leaving money on the table. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 high converting DM automations that creators are using every single day with Manychat to increase sales, grow their email list, and even land paid partnerships on autopilot. And no, you don't need to build everything from scratch. These flows are plug and play, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set them up yourself. And before we get started, down in the description below, you can find links to sign up for the Manychat and to have links to these automations so you can install them yourself into your own Instagram account. So let's get started. So now I have Manychat opened up and you've already connected your amazing Instagram account and you're ready to start doing some automations. This is the homepage. The first of the 3 videos I want to show you is called Auto DM Links from Comments. Probably the most popular use case, and this is how most people find out about Manychat and then want to start implementing it themselves. So I'll just go through this one first. So right now we're using the quick automation builder, and what you can see is it shows a specific post or reel. So this is the trigger that we're setting up. When someone comments on a specific post or reel, any post or reel, or my next post or reel. For now, we're gonna go to this one, a specific post or reel, and then I'll say price. You can also do link, shop, whatever call to action in your content that you're saying, hey, DM me this keyword, and then I'll start the automation for you, or I'll send you a free guide, or we can book a call or something like that if you're interested. Just make sure this keyword matches what your content says. Right now, I'll say demo. And then we can also do any word, and then you can also reply to their comments under the post. So then you can add more if you want to. Thanks, please see DMs, edit that you want to, add emojis, or you can just say, no, we don't want to do that. As you can see, the user will comment demo or the any word as well. So we're gonna do demo. We're gonna do an opening DM right here. This is where you're gonna edit the message that they immediately sent. And as you can see, this is what it's gonna look like to the receiver, the audience member. Hey there, so happy you're here. Thanks for your interest. Click below and I'll send you the link in a second. Send me the link. Awesome. And then a DM asking to follow before you get the link, and then a DM asking for emails. I can choose to add that or not. For this example, all we're gonna do is just do send me the link, and then they will get a DM with the link. So here's the link. Add a link, click here, is a button label. The link will just go to youtube.com as an example. And then a follow-up DM if they don't click the link. Hey, if you're so curious, don't forget to tap the link. I think you'll love it. And this is your follow-up message, right? If they don't click. And that's it. So all now we're gonna do is go live. And then bang. That's how easy it is to set up a Manychat automation, your very first one. Keep in mind this one's very simple, but that's number 1. And that is the most common and the easiest way to get started with Manychat. Let's do this next one, get more followers. This is a way to grow your account and make sure people start following you instead of just sending your link out, right? This is gonna make your account more effective, get more engagement, and build long-term relationships with people that are following you. So let's do add follow DM request. A DM asking to follow you before they get the link. Awesome, nearly there. The link is especially for my followers. Right now, after you follow me, I'll send you the link so you can dive straight in. So right now it says send me the link. Then you say, awesome, this is only available for people who are my followers. So the person who gets this message will not be following your account. If the person already follows your account, this message won't be sent. So you can change this message if we want. Oops, looks like you have to follow me first. Go to my account, hit follow, and come back. And then they'll click the button, say following. Awesome, here's the link. So now this is gonna be perfectly designed for me to get extra followers. So I'm gonna click update. And then bang, now I am not only delivering a link to people that are commenting on my posts, but I'm also making them follow me first to increase the reach of my account. Instead of asking people to follow my account, I'm gonna ask for their email address. Let's say I have any other email platform and I am using one of these platforms to add people to a lifecycle campaign, or basically own my audience in case my Instagram account gets banned for whatever reason. After I send them a link, I'm gonna send them a DM asking for their email. Before I share the link or before I share the content that they comment for, I'm gonna say, hey, this is awesome, give me your email first. So then we say, you got it. Before sharing the link, I wanted you to know I had the most exclusive comment for my email family. Drop your email below to get the best bits. Awesome. Once they send their email, that is when I will send them the link that they're curious about. We first started with this, where we're just sending people the link. Then we went to this, a DM asking to follow you before they get the link. That's what we did secondly. And lastly, we did a DM asking for their email. These 3 Manychat automations are the absolute best place to start. You're going to be gaining followers, you're going to be gaining email addresses so you can own your audience and maintain a long-term relationship by re-engaging that audience, and you're going to be delivering a link for people who comment on a viral post from all the awesome content that you make. So that's 3 automations that are super easy. It is the first place you can set up. We'll make sure to include a link to it, but it literally is the very start of the homepage, auto DM links from comments. So I really hope this was helpful for you. And if you have any more questions, make sure to leave a comment below. Thanks.